So not all the time do you get to play. Sometimes you actually have to maintain these things, which I'm not good at. But we are here in the shop today. This thing needs an oil change, and those front tires are getting, or they look way better than the back ones. The back ones are getting a little salty. So, well, that's really dark. I think I'm going to go ahead and switch those around. Got my own little Vanna White here. And if you guys are curious or you want to know, the oil change kit for a XP Turbo 2019 is that one. There's not really much to an oil change, just like a car, but I think we're just going to get right into it.
Yep, nothing to it but to do it.
Yeah. Well, I'm really glad I drove this around the yard before I brought it in here so that oil was nice and hot.
Gotta love it.
Ah, well, when the nephew wants to ride, he ride. Ah, Jesus. There we go.
Oh, that was just it breaking loose? You didn't snap the...
No, that was just it breaking loose.
You didn't break the ratchet?
No. This ratchet is champion stuff, buddy. We're good. Oh, yeah, that was hot.
She dripping all out on you?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Doing this during daylight would have been nice. I actually had some light.
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
What's the next step we're doing here?
I want to pop the oil filter off for sure. The kit comes with the oil filter and 3 quarts of oil. Oil filter's in the front. That's the way to get out from the driver's side. Get your oil filter wrench in there.
Can you see it in there?
Yep. It's right there. Right through there. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's not too bad in there. I've definitely done worse.
Keeps wanting to focus on your big melon.
Yeah, it is a big old melon. You bugger. What are you pinned under? You're like, wow, I didn't know an oil change could be so hard. There's a way to figure it out, we'll do it. Alright. Oh yeah, they take her off by hand. Oh, it's hot. Oh yeah. Easy peasy, baby.
The more of you people that watch this, the easier it'll be for us to get a place with a 4-post lift.
Yeah, even if we never get a lift and you just watch because you like stuff, I appreciate you. So that's off. I need to get the new oil filter on. I need to get the plug back in it. I need to fill it up. We got the little washer for the plug. Got the oil filter.
What a dirty
3
boy.
quarts. Dude, it's hot. Leave me alone. Get out of here. Some people run like different oil. I use Polaris. Unless somebody else wants to send me some oil. I have to use my stripper dancer moves. Get you a little oil. Smear right there on your gasket.
Sorry, do you think you're helping?
Yeah, I'm hurting. Are you, puppy? Puppy dog. The puppy dog. You see some yahoos talk about putting these back on with a wrench? Don't do that. These things only need to be hand tight.
Yeah, they'll seize up.
Yeah. Weld it to your block. Plus, also, the next tech that works on it's going to hate your life.
Well, that'll probably be you, old bud.
Yeah, you know. Put a couple mushroom turns on there, grab that rag. Give her a good turn. Like a glove. It did have a little drippage there. Good thing we had the rag in there.
Yep.
Handy. I'm pretty sure I dropped the drain plug down the hole in the drip pan.
Better go fishing.
Yeah, not the fun kind either. Get out of there, you. That's why I like Polaris kits. They actually come with everything you need.
Yeah, except a guy that'll do it for you.
But I mean, it doesn't really take a lot of know-how to change your oil. And you can feel good about yourself. I'll work on it. Oh, where? Oh, sweet. It didn't fall in the hole. That's my Allen right there.
Wow, what a guy.
Leave me alone, bully. Yep, washer's out. You don't want to double washer it. Make sure you got that. Make sure you got that puppy out of there. Now we'll put the new washer on it. We'll stick this plug back in.
How dirty was that oil looking?
You know, it actually wasn't that bad. The oil looked pretty good.
Wow. And you were worried.
I'm not worried. You were the one harping on me last video. Your oil light's flashing.
Hey, you got a wrench there, bud.
Every light in the dash is on. Now you don't want to torque this down like you're trying to impress your girlfriend. Just give her a little snug. A little snugging. A little snugging's all you need. Piece of cake! I gotta throw some oil in.
You're so tall, I have to be fast picking this camera up to keep up with your face.
Now pop the bug cover off right here. Oil filler. Right there.
Well, I'll be...
You know what tool I didn't grab in preparation for this?
Uh-oh.
A funnel.
More tough break.
You know what? I don't think I need one.
Okay.
Decided to get funnel. Don't want to spill oil all over motor. Not good. I don't like the chuggy pours. I like the smooth pours.
You're pouring it wrong.
Huh?
You're pouring it wrong.
What are you talking about? Two and...
Look, let me see that.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. I don't know if that's better.
That's what they recommend?
Pouring the oil? Who listens to oil pour recommendations? That's insane. So they recommend 2 3/4 bottles with the oil filter full. I'm still only going to put 2 3/4 in it. I'll start it, let it run for about 15 seconds, and then shut it off. We'll check the oil level just to be double sure, and then probably put the rest of it in. Are you serious? Get in there. Hey, we did it. Good times. You know, I said I was only going to put 2 3/4 in it. I lied. We put all 3 in.
Yeah.
Full bore. So the oil filter is back on. The drain plug is in. There's oil in the motor. There's a funnel in my hand. Key behind you. Nope. Nope. The one that...
Oh!
I was going to say, the one that has a razor on it. Genius. Rag me.
Where's the rags?
I'll put it on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
How we looking there, bud?
Right on safe, baby.
Well, I'll be.
Like we planned it that way.
Yeah.
Check her once more for good measure. Oh yeah.
Oh,
on the
yeah.
dot, baby. That's an oil change. Do not pay $260 to have your oil change. It's really that easy. All right, item number 2 on the docket. We need to rotate these tires because the backs are in rough shape. So Dylan and I are both going to change these. Watching tire changing is boring. Boring. So we're going to set up the GoPro and we're going to hyperspeed this sucker until it's all done. You ready?
Sounds like a plan.
Let's do it.
Well, it only took a couple hours, but in that amount of time, we got 20 minutes worth of work done.
Yeah, nailed it. Turns out jack stands at your brother's house, even though they're his jack stands, they're at his house. How dare he? Yeah. Oil's changed. Tires are rotated. You need to rotate your tires. Well, it's not just you. Everybody said
that
it.
is very true. Now look at all that tread
All
back
the
here
meat.
now. Yeah.
Where's the beef?
Yeah.
It's on the back now, boys.
Right there.
So that's on there. The oil is changed. You definitely want to stay on top of that one, especially with turbo application.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'd tell you that we're easy on them, but we'd be lying.
I don't know. There's definitely people that are harder on them.
That's very true.
You don't have to be like super hard on them to have fun with them.
No.
Yeah. It's not always all fun. Sometimes you have to suck it up and do your maintenance. Piece of cake whenever you got yourself in a gopher.
Oh,
Thanks,
wow.
buddy.
Wow.
Stuff coming soon. I know you guys saw that Greg got his own wrestling. We have something planned for that. So if you guys aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I know last time I put up the little blip in the video with our percentage. I'm going to go ahead and put that right here. I don't know what that percentage is, but it needs to go. It needs to go towards the more subscribed. So you guys that have subscribed since the last one, thank you so much. It means a lot to us. Every time I see the number go up, it makes me so happy that you guys are enjoying these videos and watching. And if you'd like to see more idiotry, hit the subscribe, man. It helps us out a lot.
That's a great word for it.
Yeah, it is. I know idiocy is a word, but we're using idiotry because I think we're idiots. So, yeah. You guys have been killing it. The views.
We are so grateful.
Yeah, for sure. We're a bunch of nobodies. Like, we're a bunch of regular average Joe working nobodies. We work, we work 10-hour days.
Yeah,
we get to come
this is
out.
just our weekend hobby.
Yeah, we don't have people throwing a bunch of stuff at us. We just do it because we enjoy it, and we hope that you guys enjoy watching it. So stay tuned. This machine right here, I have some plans in the future for this that you guys are definitely going to want to stick around for. You've seen everybody kind of upgrading their machines. As a matter of fact, there's one that's going to blow you away, and I didn't get time to record all of it because hectic schedules, but I think you guys are going to be really pleased. I was blown away by the transformation.
Me too, night and day.
So stay tuned for that. Guys, like always, thank you for watching. We're so happy to be here and happy to be making content for you guys. If you'd like to support us, please subscribe. Subscribing is a big thing.
Yes.
And follow us on our socials. If you go to facebook.com/option3utv or Instagram, and I think Kat made a TikTok.
Yep.
You guys are into TikTok?
Yep.
I'm not a big TikTok guy, but they run the TikTok. So if you guys like to watch little short videos, go check those things out, man. We appreciate all the support. And we'll catch you in the next one, man.
Yep, just keep it coming, guys, and we'll catch you down the road.
Yep. Let's load it up.
I get to it off the runway. Different incomes, not one way. Living life on a one way. I knew this would happen someday. You can ask my day one day. Cloudy days turn to sun rays. Only way to way up way. Know my way, know my feng shui.